How's it going, folks? I thought I'd shoot a little bit of a bonus clip for you all this week. I've been editing the other one and it's just a little bit too long. I think I've cut it down to around about 18 or so minutes. So I thought what I'd do is just give you a bit of a look at some of the bits and pieces that are growing right down the back. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this quick little catch up. So Lizzie's bought her tennis ball and desperately wants me to kick it for her, but we'll start next to her butt here if you'd like to move, sweetie. Down here we have a sunshine chili and a tennis ball. A sunshine chili that's just sprouted from some seed that has slowly migrated down here from the one growing in the black turmeric pouch. As you can see, the black turmeric's died off and we've had so many fruit, more than we know what to do with. Some seeds have fallen over the last year or two. We've got another very healthy looking one right underneath the beehive here. So here's a bit of a closer look at these sunshine chilies. I've had a load of people ask me what their correct name is as they want to purchase them. I'm very sorry, but they were gifted to me as a sunshine chili, and I was told they're a member of the RG Amarillo family, which is a family from Peru. But that's all I can tell you. I'm very sorry. That's the only name I've got to go by. It's a beautiful Sunday morning and these bees are very active today. So I'm actually standing sort of in their flight path. So I'll just quickly show you. Down here we have a dragon fruit that was gifted to us by one of our supporters, Steve. Thank you very much, mate. As you can see, it's grown up and decided to root into the black turmeric and the chili pouch. So these guys need to be separated. These dragon fruit will end up being in their own spot right down the back here. We've got an aloe vera that's flowering. Just trying to get some plants established under this mango tree. We've also got the galangal down here, and over the back there, between here and the aquaponics, we have some Queensland arrowroot as well. Over here, our Chinese fingers ginger, or Chinese keys, sorry, finger ginger has died back because of the cooler weather, and so is all the ginger in this bed here. I do see we have some potatoes shooting. These are a hangover from the soil that originally came in here. These guys here are the purple Congo from memory. They're not a huge potato, but they do give us something to toss into a warm veggie salad. And in this bed you can also see the Warrigal Green volunteers. We also have some chilies, some more sunshine chilies. And down here we have a Chinese celtis, which is a weed tree. So we'll pull this one out. It's generally deposited by birds flying around dropping their berries. And this here I dare say would be an asparagus fern, another weed here. So we'll pull them out as well. Down underneath the papaya tree we have a volunteer papaya. So what I'd say has happened with this one is we've had bats or possums feast on the papayas above, and they've dropped a couple of seeds and this one has taken off. So this one here may in fact replace this tree here from being our main papaya tree. That's if it turns out to be a hermaphrodite. With basically what that means is, I'll climb up here and show you. Basically what that means is those flowers have both male and female organs in it, so they are self-fertile. Yeah, so hopefully this little plant down here will turn out to be another fruit-bearing tree that we don't need a male for, and this one here in the tub can be retired. As for other bits and pieces down the back here, we have another broad ripple yellow currant just coming up in there, and these dead looking skeletons are Egyptian spinach, which is a member of the jute family. They make a fantastic salad and stir-fry green. They would have dropped thousands of seeds from those pods, so I dare say once things warm up a bit, we'll end up with a load of Egyptian spinach down there as well. And what are you doing, Lizzie? She's probably chasing little skinks around the place. So there you go. I thought I'd just shoot this little bit of a clip just to give you a bit of an idea on what's going on right down the back here, and just to give you a little bit of perspective. This coffee tree probably will be planted somewhere around about here. The macadamia tree will probably pop underneath the edge of that bed there, and these beds will be replaced and taken out, and try and make this into a little bit of a zone 3 food foresty sort of area. This galangal here, not too sure what we're going to do with this. You can only eat so much galangal, and I have little spots around the place, so we might give a fair bit of that root away. But this whole area down the back here we're going to try and terrace up, make it a little bit more level, and plant some other long-term plants like the dragon fruit and bits and pieces like that down here. So there you go, folks. There's a little bit of an update on what the plans are for right down the back here. As I said, the other clip just got a little bit too long. Before I head off, I really do need to thank those folks who support us over on Subscribestar and also the YouTube membership page. I've actually got a meeting that I'm supposed to be starting in a couple of minutes, so I better wind up here and go and start it off. As always, you can check out the super contributors down in the description below. The folks that go above and beyond, they got their websites and their Facebook pages there, so it'd be fantastic if you could show them some love for me. Say g'day while you're there. But yeah, I will pretty much all leave it there. I do hope you've enjoyed this quick little roundup of just the back corner plans, and I will catch you next time. Cheers all, have a top one.